Welcome to the Aramoho Residents Association. What we're going to do is adjust the trial balance first, income statement second, balance sheet, property, plant and equipment note third. So quite a bit to get through. I'm going to go pretty fast. Don't forget to press the pause button if you are not keeping up. Catch up and then let's carry on. So first thing we're going to do is read the additional information. It tells us 80 members of the club association pay an annual subscriptions of $100. So I'd expect to see that subs income to be $8,000. At the moment it's not, so we'll do some adjustments. 2 members have paid in advance. Alright, so that's called income in advance or subscriptions in advance. 2 members equals 2 times membership fee, $100. Note we're not balancing down here. In advance, the rule is everything happens on the same side. So we've got plus 200 here, we've got a minus 200 off this one. So we balance 23, great. There are still a few members that owe, and we know that it's meant to be 8,000 here, so it must be 9 members still to pay. So we'll call this subscriptions and arrears. And 9 members, 900. Subscriptions in arrears also is called accrued income. You could have typed that there if you like to. Added 900 there. Have to do it on this side. And our subs are up to 8,000. That's what we want it to be. Next one, $50 still owing and interest to be paid. So that's called accrued expenses. Accrued simply means owing. $50. And we're going to add it to interest. Balance, yep, cool. Down payment $1,000 for printing. So this is an expense paid in advance called a prepayment. Note I've put these all in red so you can see the adjustments. And the printing here, it was $2,400. We're going to take off that $1,000 because that $1,000 belongs to next year, not this year. So only $1,300 expense this year. Depreciation has a useful life 4 years, residual value of $2,200, so we'll add depreciation. And it's equal to, open brackets, 12,000 cost minus residual value 2,200 divided by the number of years. We're going to hold it for 4 years, so that is how much per year? Presenter, ta-da, 2,500. Add it here, add it to this side as well. 2,500. So equipment now is depreciated to 7,000. That's a hard bit done. Income statement. Income's on this side, the credit side, so I'm going to type equals. Click on first one is donations, second one is subscriptions. Highlight those two, bring your big plus to a small plus in the corner here and fill across. And then we'll total by clicking on auto sum, add those two together, and 8,800 expenses on this side. So type equals and we'll click through as we go. Catering, garden purchases, honorarium, interest, printing at the lower amount, repairs, and depreciation. Again, highlight all those, put down to the bottom right hand corner, fill across, and auto sum all your expenses. Oh dear, expenses higher than income. So equals income minus expenses. You see we made a deficit of $1,800. Balance sheet over here. Now before you start on the top, let's go down the bottom and do that equipment depreciation. We've got the cost of the equipment was $12,000. The accumulated depreciation on the equipment 7. So the carrying value is equal to the cost minus accumulated depreciation, 5,200. Good, that'll help when we get up to it. Assets equals, again that's on the left hand side, bank is the first one. Oh, try that again. Equals bank. Yep. Equals not equipment, that's down here in the property, plant and equipment. Must go down to subscriptions and arrears and prepayments. and I'll fill those across to get the numbers. Property, plant and equipment, type equals, and go down to the bottom, carrying value. And now I can get my total assets by adding all those up. Great. Liabilities, they're on this side, equals debentures, that's a loan to members, subscriptions in advance, and accrued expenses. Once you've got those, bottom right, drag across, and total liabilities auto sum. Right, and net assets is equal to total assets minus total liabilities. That's the figure we're trying to balance to down there. Let's see if it works. Accumulated funds, the opening balance here, type equals 74 plus our profit or minus our deficit, and then we'll just auto sum that. Fingers crossed. Is it going to be 5550? Yes, balances. Stand up, do a little dance. That's excellence for you. Well done, you got it to balance. Alright, hopefully you can do it yourself. So close this one off, open your one, and see if you can do it on your own. Good luck with that. It's pretty tricky, but I know you can do it. Good luck. Bye.